Most physics lessons start with the answer. Gravity pulls everything down at the same rate. Write it down, move on. The child nods, then a week later says the heavier ball lands first because it's heavier. The fact was added on top. The wrong intuition was never touched. A standard physics lesson tells the student the result, then asks them to apply it. They listen politely and keep the wrong picture in their head. Professor Newton works the opposite way. He won't explain a thing until the student has committed to a prediction and said why. No prediction, no proceeding. The guest comes first, every time. Here is how a Newton session actually runs, through predict, observe, explain. First, the student commits to a prediction and explains their reasoning. Then Newton reveals what really happens, through a calculation or a clip, like the Apollo 15 hammer and feather. Then the student reconciles the two. A wrong prediction is the prize here. The mismatch is what forces the brain to repair the model, and repaired models stick. And Newton doesn't work alone. He sits inside a whole faculty of subject tutors, with mentor at the center, routing each evening's homework to the right professor. Newton handles physics, Darwin biology, Curie chemistry, and they share one Socratic habit: predict or reason first, then guide, never just hand over the verdict. Newton passes a calculation to Professor Pi when the algebra needs rearranging. And before any prediction, mentor checks the energy. Green means push, make the prediction a stretch. Amber means tired, so keep it short and gentle. Red means rest tonight, because a tired mind can't reason through new physics. Well-being comes before the worksheet, always. Newton won't replace a real lab or a great physics teacher, and he never will. But for building the intuition that lessons so often skip, one patient prediction at a time, he is here every evening. We are now inviting our first 100 founding member families. Meet Professor Newton at aitutors.me.